So we have been seeing various data types like, okay, what is integer, and what are the string, and what is S object, what is double long, what are the dates. We know that each field in the object represents each data type. Only then system can understand. When we say name, what type of data, what is the data type of that each variable we declare. Okay. And we started the Apex programming. We know the highlight of the Apex programming and all that. Now we know how to create the Apex to the developer console, and we have been seeing all that. And we wrote a sample program. We know what is class, what is object, what is method, how to trigger the object, how to pass an argument to the method, how to return the value from the method. All of these things we learned. Okay. And we also know what is S object, and we have been learning about, we are learning about the data manipulation language. What is insert, what is update, what is delete, what is upsert. So we did talk about, like, how can we insert the record. And also we have another data type called ID. We also printed the ID after we insert, and we know that each record has its own unique ID. Okay. All right. So that's what we discussed, like what is ID. And the DML operations, we learned about like how to insert the record, and we did insert the bulk, the list. And also we learned about updating the list. Okay, we learned about the insert and update. And then we learned about like what is, how can we delete, right? So basically, when you want to delete a record, you need to identify an object, and then only you can delete a record. So this is for Salman. Like, in order to delete a record, you need to identify which record we are going to delete. Let's take an example. You have like 100 employees we have in the system. And okay, give me 1 second. Let me plug in my power card.